know that there is a feature on Binance that actually pays you back when you have spent money on the platform? How? In this video, I want to show you a feature called Binance Swap Farming that is pretty interesting. This is my favorite way of swapping tokens on the platform. Let's get those credits rolling. In order for you to be able to fully follow on this tutorial, check the first link in the description below so that you sign up on Binance. Signing up is free. You use either your email or your phone number. Download the Binance app on iOS or on Android, and then verify your account using your ID or your passport. Take a selfie. This process takes less than 5 minutes, and then you can jump into this video where I'll show you how you can be able to get back some of that trading fees that you spend while converting your tokens on the Binance platform. The strategy is called swap farming. Now, I like the word that it's farming, where essentially what you are doing is anytime you are switching from one token to another, there's usually a fee on it. But this fee can be returned back to you in terms of the BNB token, which is a Binance-based token. Here we are on the Binance platform. Now, I've done this on mobile as well, so I'll put it up on the card above, but this is on desktop. Same kind of interesting way to do this. So you'll go under trade here and you'll see swap farming. So we'll click on swap farming, and the next thing that you will see here is you can be able to trade instantly and pull tokens to earn rewards. For me, I have some rewards that are waiting, and that is super exciting, but I want to show you how you can be able to do this as well. So what we'll actually do here is we'll filter all the tokens with rewards, because there are different rewards that are available. Let's just click on view all, and you can be able to see these pairs that are here, which means that whatever you are charged for turning USDT into, for instance, the WU, you'll get 45% back. If you do BNB to BSW, you get 50% back. If you have BNB and you want Gala, you get 45% back. The ones I'm really excited about are the ones that have BTC on them, although you can do any single crypto that you want, and I'll show you that in a moment. Let's start with BTC. So if you have BTC and you want to change it into Mana, you'll actually get 45% back, and all these are available for you. If you're doing COP BTC, it's 35%. Of course, the top ones usually show up at the very start. So what I want to do is I want to turn some of my USDT into BTC. So I'll click here where it says WU and put in BTC, then click on that, and then I want to do the max here so that it turns into BTC, and then the rebate rate here is 30%. That means that of this 0.015 USDT that I'll be charged to do this particular transaction, I'll actually get back this in BNB. So the price right now for BTC, one BTC is currently at 16,832, and then we can click on swap. So look at the number up here, it's 13,337, and then I'll click on swap. So immediately it will turn this 10 USDT into BTC, and the fee right now is 0.015, just like I showed you in USDT, and we've gotten a fee return of 15.97. So we'll go back to swap, and you'll be able to see, once we refresh this page, you'll be able to see that this swap reward has actually gone up. This is a good way of me being able to accumulate some BNB very, very simply. So now we have 0.0014934. So suppose I want to actually turn some BUSD, because I have some BUSD right here. So I'll just click on BUSD and it will show me the pairs that are available. Even if I want to change some BUSD into USDT, there could be some rewards. So let's change one BUSD into USDT. The charge here will be 0.0015 BUSD. That's the charge. And then I get half of this amount back in BNB. So I can actually be able to click swap. So I've actually changed BUSD to USDT, which is a stable coin to a stable coin, but the fee on it I actually get back in terms of BNB. So back to swap so that we can do another one. Then here I want to actually change this to Ethereum, where I'll actually buy some Ethereum. And in this particular case, I can be able to do 10 BUSD as a minimum, and I'll get 0.0079 Ethereum. And one Ethereum right now is going for 1259 BUSD. There is no slippage, which means that you do not lose any money while the swap is happening. There is good liquidity on the platform. The effective rate here is 0.0825%, because we are getting back 45% of the 0.15% swap fee. So here we are spending close to a shilling, Kenya shilling, which is 0.015 BUSD, and we'll get 45% of that back in BUSD. Click on swap, where now we turn our 10 BUSD into Ethereum, and that is very simple. It's already successful. Now I want to also show you this amount that is up here. Let's just refresh to make sure that it is all there. This 000017578 BNB. Then I'll click on claim rewards. So once I click on claim rewards, the claim is successful, and I can go to my fiat and spot wallet, and I'll find this BNB already in my spot wallet. So that is a simple way on how you can actually convert one token to another, and at the back end of it, get some of this money back in terms of BNB. The feature is called Binance Swap Farming. And here on the spot wallet, we now have our BNB, the 0.0017578, which we've actually made about 0.05 USD just by swapping one to another. And in the next video, I show you how you can be able to buy and sell any crypto that you want at the exact same price that you want. It's called Binance Dual Investment, and I'll see you in the next one.